Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to remove material from objects. So for example, I will insert the cube objects and we can insert the material. We'll go to the hyperset, use shader and then use I standard surface. So in here you can set for the texture file. I will use the example file and you can click here to show in the object. Now, if you want to remove material from this object, you can go to Windows menu, click on Rendering Editor, and then click Hypershed. So it'll be show for the Hypershed dialog box, and you can see the default will be set into this material. You can right click, hold, and then you can select object with this material. So it'll be insert into this cube object. And if you want to remove, you can apply into default. Like we can use this default material. You can assign to the selected object like this. And then next you can select the material. Now you can press delete buttons to delete. Okay, that's it for basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to remove material from object.